chimpanzee. Chip the chimp loves solving puzzles. His favorite one is how to make everyone laugh. Tiger. Tycho the tiger isn't fierce. He paints stripes in the sand with his tail while humming a jungle tune. Leopard. Lulu the leopard naps in trees because she says dreams are sweeter closer to the clouds. Bear. Benny the bear loves honey so much that bees invite him to tea. Lion. Leo the lion loves to roar good morning to the sun every day. His roar isn't scary. It's his way to say, let's start the day with courage. Deer. Daisy the deer loves to play hide and seek between the trees, but her sparkly eyes always give her away. Toucan. Tito the toucan loves his colorful beak. He uses it like a paintbrush to color the air. Giraffe. Gina the giraffe can see rainbows first because she's so tall, and she always shares where they end. Elephant. Ellie the elephant sprays water everywhere when she's happy. The jungle animals call it Ellie's rainy dance. Zebra. Ziggy the zebra loves her stripes. She says, no two zebras look the same. That's what makes us special. Rhino. Rena the rhino uses her horn to draw hearts in the sand. Buffalo. Benji the buffalo likes to stand in the wind. It makes his fur look like he's in a music video. Sloth. Sola the sloth moves so slowly that butterflies land on her, and she calls them her travel buddies. Monkey. Momo the monkey swings through trees, sharing bananas with everyone, because sharing is more fun than keeping. Okapi. Olive the okapi mixes stripes and spots and says, it's fun to be different. Hippo. Henry the hippo loves mud baths. It's my spa day every day. He laughs. Alligator. Alfie the alligator loves to sunbathe and count the ripples in the river like music beats. Otter. Otto the otter floats on his back holding hands with friends so they never drift apart. Raccoon. Ricky the raccoon loves washing pebbles. He says clean rocks sparkle better. Peacock. Paco the peacock spreads his feathers like sunshine. He says, colors make the world happy. Hedgehog. Hazel the hedgehog rolls down hills giggling. Her spines tickle the grass. Squirrel. Sunny the squirrel hides acorns everywhere, then forgets where, so the forest grows new trees. Parrot. Polly the parrot learns new words every day. Today's favorite, smile. Snake. Cece the snake doesn't hiss to scare. She sings. Her songs make the forest sway like a dance. Crocodile. Coco the crocodile loves bubble baths in the river. Splish, splash, smile. Flamingo. Flo the flamingo practices balance every day on one leg. She calls it flamingo yoga. Frog. Freddy the frog croaks happy songs when it rains. His music makes puddles dance. Wallaby. Willow the wallaby loves to bounce everywhere, from hills to flowers. She says, the world looks happier when you jump with joy. Tapir. Tammy the tapir loves walking through the rainforest after the rain. She splashes in puddles and says, every step is an adventure. Llama. Lila the llama hums while climbing hills. Her tunes echo through the mountains. Eagle. Ella the eagle flies above the mountains to count rainbows after a storm. Anteater. Andy the anteater loves eating ants, but he always says thank you first. Manners matter. Komodo dragon. Cody the Komodo dragon loves sunbathing on warm rocks by the beach. He smiles and says, slow and steady wins every sunny day. Camel. Carl the camel stores dreams, not water, in his humps, so he never runs out of adventures. Crane. Clara the crane loves to dance in the sunrise by the water. She spreads her wings and says, every morning is a new song to fly to. Turtle. Toby the turtle might be slow, but he never gives up and always enjoys the view. Beluga. Bella the beluga glides through the calm Arctic Sea, humming softly. She says, even in the coldest places, kindness keeps us warm. Pelican. Penny the pelican flies low over the sea, pretending she's drawing lines in the waves. Penguin. Pippi the penguin slides on ice shouting, wee! Snowflakes sparkle in his laugh. Wolf. Wren the wolf howls softly to the moon. She calls it her moon song. Polar bear. Poppy the polar bear makes snow angels every morning before breakfast. Fox. Felix the fox hides in the snow, just to surprise friends with snowballs. Olivia the owl checks every night to make sure all the stars are shining. Koala. Coco the koala hugs trees and whispers, thank you for the shade.
The lion is strong and brave, walking proudly through the grass. The elephant sprays water with its long trunk and smiles. The zebra wears beautiful black and white stripes like pajamas. The tiger walks quietly through the jungle, calm and powerful. The monkey loves to play and swing high in the trees. The penguin walks together with friends across the snow. The bear loves honey and takes long cozy naps. The parrot can copy voices and loves bright colors. The crocodile rests by the river with a big wide smile. The giraffe's long neck helps it reach the tallest trees. The kangaroo hops happily with a baby in its pouch. The panda eats bamboo all day and rolls in the green grass. The fox walks quietly through the forest, fast and clever. The whale glides through the sea, gentle and giant. The owl opens its big eyes and watches the world at night. The wolf stays close to its family and loves to explore. The horse runs freely through the meadow with shiny hair. The rabbit hops quickly and loves to eat fresh grass. The turtle moves slowly and carries its home on its back. The dog loves to play and always waits for a friendly hug. The cat stretches softly and enjoys a warm sunny nap. The eagle flies high in the sky, strong and free. The frog jumps from leaf to leaf in the quiet pond. The flamingo stands tall on one leg and loves the sunshine. The koala hugs trees and sleeps almost all day. The camel walks slowly across the hot golden sand. The deer listens carefully to the sounds of the forest. The peacock spreads its colorful feathers like a rainbow. The polar bear walks gently over the soft white snow. The seal rests on the ice and slides back into the water. The hedgehog curls into a tiny ball when it feels shy. The raccoon washes its food carefully before eating. The hippo spends the day in the cool water with friends. The buffalo walks in tall grass, calm and steady. The rhino walks proudly with its strong horn shining. The chimpanzee likes to share and play with friends. The leopard rests on a tree branch, quiet and graceful. The meerkat stands tall to look around the sunny desert. The lizard enjoys the warmth of the sun on the rocks. The crab walks sideways along the beach near the water. The shark swims deep in the ocean, smooth and strong. The starfish rests on the sand and shines under the sea. The butterfly flutters from flower to flower in the garden. The bee visits flowers and makes sweet golden honey.